So I'm in the process of replacing the Economizer. This was a old 7200 series setup here. So you'll notice this unit, I've done quite a bit of work on this thing. But anyways, I just got done adding the Silk Bus sensor out here. And the nice thing about these Silk Buses, they're all on a comms network. And you can hook them all up to the same kind of terminals, and I will show you that. Just remember with these things though, you do have to change the dip switches. So there are dip switches right in there, that yellowish area down there. Oh, sorry. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Anyways, down there gives you the little legend of discharge air, return air, or outside air. And obviously I'm using this for outside air. And I will show you the inside. And this is a heat pump. Looks like we have some oil leaking right there, but this is a heat pump. Just got done doing a changeover. Basically, I got rid of the old Economizer controls and put on the new stuff, which I'll show you. This is a 20-ton air handler. And we used to have the old humpback model with the old motor. And now all the new ones, it is a direct coupled actuator, and it actually has feedback, which is these two brown wires. And you can see I put the Jade on there. It's showing I'm in the status screen. So mixed air temp 60 outside. I got the Silk Bus sensors everywhere. I have one right here, and these are all on the S-Bus comm network. So it's like the TXRX, transmit receive, and you're able to daisy chain all this stuff together, and it's able to recognize it. So, oh yeah, this thing has exhaust fans, because if you look right here at the IAQ, this place actually has CO2 sensors, which will then in turn send out a command to the exhaust fan. And the return air damper is right there. And this is the fresh air damper, which is obviously back right there. So this is on the status. So you can see ACT, the actuator count. That's all part of the feedback. I can adjust all this stuff, but return air humidity 42%, return air temp 72, outside air humidity 67%, 69 degrees, mixed air temp 60. Y2 is still off yet. It has a 15-minute delay, which you can change, and I'll show that. And this is a heat pump, so you land your reversing valve right there, and you tell it it's a heat pump. That way, when you go into heating, it doesn't think that you're in cooling. Here's my set points. And exhaust 1 and exhaust 2 are for the demand control ventilation, which is now on the IAQ terminals. 15-minute delay. Stage 3 would be the second compressor, because stage 1 is always the economizer, stage 2 is the first stage compressor, and stage 3 is second stage compressor. And we have no alarms, which is a good thing. Yeah, we're doing good. This was a real pain in the butt inside there. That's where the blower is. The wiring was just a rat nest. You can see there's a bunch that comes in here, and then it goes in, then there's a bunch that comes in here, and it's just freaking wiring. I mean, I might have been able to do a little bit better of a job, but that'll do, pig, that'll do. Anyways, hope you all having a good day, and happy HVAC. Just running through a test, and at the Jade you can do Y1 out, on, and Y2 out, on, just as test the stages. So I'm testing stage 2 right now. This is stage 1, and she is working. Finally got everything all squared away. Had to rewire everything in there. What a nightmare that was. Got all the cooling squared away. Everything's working. Y2 on, out, on. Yes, and this is again a heat pump. And look at that. She is going up. Fantastic.